Hello YouTube viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, my full 28. That I still do appreciate. And everything. It's kind of stupid how one person can do all that, but I really think that profile is a fake. I think he has a different profile. Could be one of my other subscribers. I'm not saying they're doing that. Pray to God they're not. Could be one of my other subscribers and made a fake profile so they could win that way. Because he has like nothing on there. And the only reason I say I think it's fake because the other one, if you go back, starts with an A. It says the same thing. There's too much evidence pointing it's a fake. Two fake profiles on that. Like, straight out. Just, I think they're 100% fake profiles. And I was doing good, I guess. Or decent. And I was doing decent. But back at square one again. Try to get everyone to come back to my channel and actually stay and all that. And I'm trying to figure out who the hell this Sam Wagner dude is. I have no idea who the hell he is. It's kind of weird how he shows up right after this, but what can you do? This is my new car. Yes, it has a front bumper on the front. I'll show you that side in a minute. It is I want to say an 82 Chevette. It's kind of rough. Okay, it's a lot of rough. That grill's going. I don't put my own custom grill on it. I like the 78 because of the front round headlights on it are freaking cool, and I like how the hood is. I imagine I can change the hood. I'm not really sure. An older gentleman owned it. I'll show you inside. Just make sure nothing gets in. Gauges are all jacked up. We need a new window, glove box, that. Don't know what that is. And then that just came off. So I pushed this from, that bumper right there was right there. I shoved it all the way up here. But that's a nasty hit. I think it actually got hit, but nothing seems like it's off a little at all. So I'll try to get it at least started up and going, and I can drive it, and then probably, honestly, probably don't stick a 305 in it, carbureted. Because really, that's all. I don't want to go to computer system, and I want to try to keep with the Pier. But it's a 4-door. They do make these in a 2-door. What's neat about this one, I'm going to show you. It is a standard. I really thought these only came. The ones that came, and they're standard. Yeah, unleaded fuel only. So I thought these only came in automatics or something, but it's a 4-speed. Probably stick with the 4-speed, tell you the truth. Sticking a 305 in it. $200 for the car. It does have an engine inside. I mean, like in the engine compartment. It's gonna get 5 lugs because 4 lugs won't handle the power. It's gonna get 5 lugs. What else? I thought I seen something on the back. I thought it was wires sticking out. I was like, how are you still going? Oh, that's why it won't open. It has a screw in the door. So I imagine you take that screw out, it'll come right off. I don't look at parts for it later today. And after I get parts for it, I'm going to it's on shaved door handles. This should look slick. I'm really not sure, honestly. I just want to go up and go like that, but I'm not sure. It's gonna have dual exhaust on it, disc brakes all the way around, no anti-lock shit, but disc brakes, mufflers, the tips I think are gonna come right back out here. Stick just bam right there. Then it's gonna be all this on the side is gonna be black, center is gonna be white, this is gonna be white, no, black, this is gonna be black, that's gonna be white, the roof is gonna be white, the hood's gonna be white with obviously a 2.5 inch crown hood. But honestly, that's the new baby. So if anyone watches this, please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell for all new videos. That car, I'll try my best to keep on doing up-to-date videos, even if no one watches. I'm gonna still put videos out no matter what, so they're not gonna stop me from doing that. And one of these times when I got the money and time, I'm going to a YouTube convention, or VidCon it's technically called, and I will be wearing a shirt, my number 88 hat, and it's gonna have Hitchcock Motorsports on a white shirt or a black shirt with white letters. So do that, and if anyone wants to confront me there, they can, but nothing's been ever rigged. So, but please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell for all new updates and videos. Thank you. God bless.